Hello, guys. Welcome back to our second session of setting up for web development. Now, in this tutorial, we'll go through tools and software we need in our web development journey. That is a text editor and also a web browser. In order to write web documents, we need a text editor. So in order for us to create a document for the web, we need to edit and also write web documents. Now, if you don't know what I mean by documents or web documents, there's a card popping on your screen right now. You can just click on it and watch our previous video, which talks about documents, web documents, and also file extensions and their differences. Now, there are a lot of text editors out there which you can go in for. For example, we have Atom, we have Sublime Text, we have Notepad++, and what have you. But the one we will be sticking to throughout this web development course is the Visual Studio Code. So without wasting much time, let's go to my desktop and download Visual Studio Code text editor. Okay, guys, so welcome to my desktop. All right, so in order to grab Visual Studio Code, just go to your browser. It's very simple. So just go to your browser and then type code.visualstudio.com/download, or you could just click on the link in the description below to download it. Now, right here, you can see we have Visual Studio Code for the various platforms. That is the operating systems. So we have Windows, we have Linux, and we also have Mac. So just download for the platform you are using. I'm using Linux, so I would have downloaded for Linux right here, but I already have Visual Studio Code installed, so I don't need to download it, right? Or if you're on Linux and also Mac, you can just download from your package manager. So yeah, so after downloading and installing Visual Studio Code, just launch it. So I already have Visual Studio Code installed. So this is my Visual Studio Code. This is what it looks like. And yeah, so congratulations, guys. You've installed Visual Studio Code. So now let's have a look at the next tool or software we need to aid us in our web development journey. Okay, guys. So another tool or software we need in our web development journey is a web browser. Now, web browsers are not just used for accessing websites on the internet, they can also aid us in our web development journey. Now, there are a lot of web browsers out there you can go in for, but the one we recommend you to download is the Google Chrome web browser. Now, we also have Microsoft Edge, we have Firefox, Safari, Brave, Opera Mini, and what have you. But the recommended one, as I said, is Google Chrome for the sake of this course, right? So for the sake of this web development course, we recommend you all to download Google Chrome. Now, if you are watching this video on any other browser besides Google Chrome, don't worry. I'll drop a download link in the description. You can just click on it and grab yourself a Google Chrome web browser. Now, in subsequent videos, we would go to our text editor, that is our Visual Studio Code text editor, and download some extensions, and that will also make our web development journey easy and smooth. So, see you in the next video, guys.